Ready to dive into a cool project that it's chilling on GitHub? Let's get it onto your computer in under 2 minutes. First things first, find the project you want on GitHub. Once you're there, look for the green code button, usually near the top right of the repository page. Click on it. A little menu will pop up. Make sure the HTTPS option is selected. This is the easiest way to clone the project. Now, copy the URL you see there. It's the project's web address. Next, open up your terminal or Git bash. This is where the magic happens. Navigate to the folder on your computer where you want to store the project files. You can use the cd command followed by the directory path, for example, cd documents, projects. Now type git clone followed by a space, then paste the URL you copied from GitHub. Hit enter. Git will now download all the project files from the repository to your computer. Once it's done, you'll see a new folder with the same name as the repository. Inside, you'll find all the project's code, images, and other files. Congratulations, you've successfully cloned a project from GitHub. Now you can start hacking away.